Salam. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and if you are new to this channel, my brother Hassan and I, we teach Tajik here. And you are watching our 500 most common words and phrases video series, and this is week 38. So let's get started. What? Chi, чиҳо, or кадом. Chi, чиҳо, and кадом. So chi is singular. For example, what did you buy? Tu chi kharidi. Tu chi kharidi. And чиҳо is plural. For example, what are the things that you like? Tu ба чиҳо шавқ дорӣ. Tu ба чиҳо шавқ дорӣ. And in English we have things there, but in Tajik there is no things. Instead of things we put just чиҳо. Чиҳо is enough there. Alright, and кадом is like which. So the sentence. It was not clear what she said. Маълум набуд ки вай чӣ гуфт. Маълум набуд ки вай чӣ гуфт. In Khujand, which is in the north part of Tajikistan, instead of chi, most of the time people use chize. Chize is super informal. You will not see that in the book, but it's chi. But we use chize. Who? Ki or киҳо. Ki and киҳо. The same like with chi and чиҳо. Here ki is singular, киҳо is plural. So, do you know who he is? Medoni vai ki ast? Medoni vai ki ast? And ast here is optional. You can just say medoni vai ki, like that. Where? Dar куҷо. Dar куҷо. Dar куҷо. So, where do you live? شما در کجا زندگی میکنید؟ شما در کجا زندگی میکنید؟ In Khujand, we say kujonda instead of dar kujo. It's informal, kujonda. That's what people use. And in the capital, in Dushanbe, people say kujoda instead of dar kujo. Some people say dar kujo too, but there is no n like in Khujand, just kujoda. Where to? Ba kujo. Ba kujo. Ba kujo. And again in Khujand, we say kujova. Kujova instead of bakujo. This is informal, but it's more common in Khujand, in the northern part of Tajikistan. So, the sentence. Where to go now? Aknun bakujo ravim. Aknun bakujo ravim. Where from? As kujo. As kujo. As kujo. Where are you from? Shumo as kujo meshavit. Shumo as kujo meshavit. And meshavet is optional here. You can just say shumo as kujo. Shumo as kujo. Why? Baroi chi. Charo. Baroi chi. Baroi chi. Or charo. Charo. And baroi chi is more common. So, why did you buy a flower? Baroi chi shmo gul kharidid. Baroi chi shmo gul kharidid. Which? Kadom. Кадом. Кадом. Which color do you like best? Кадом ранг ба шумо бештар маъқул аст? Кадом ранг ба шумо бештар маъқул аст? When? Kai. 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 When will we arrive? Мо кай мерасем? Мо кай мерасем? Since when? As kai. As kai. As kai. And in Khujand, we say kai ac instead of as kai. Alright, the sentence. Since when did you become so interested in chess? Аз кай ба шохмот ин қадар шавқ пайдо кардед? Аз кай ба шохмот ин қадар шавқ пайдо кардед? At what time? Соати чанд. Соати чанд. Соати чанд. So, at what time will the movie start? Film соати чанд сар мешавад. Film соати чанд сар мешавад. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it and learned something new, please press the like button. It would help us a lot. So, see you in the next video. Khair.